Viruses are microscopic infectious agents that can reproduce only inside the living cells of a host. Unlike bacteria, viruses are not made of cells and cannot carry out metabolism or reproduce on their own. They infect organisms ranging from bacteria and plants to animals and humans. In the biochemical sense, viruses are acellular nucleoprotein particles composed mainly of nucleic acid and proteins, and in some cases, lipids and carbohydrates. They are considered obligate intracellular parasites because they lack the enzymes and metabolic machinery required for independent growth, energy production, and protein synthesis. As a result, viruses can replicate only inside living host cells by using the host's biochemical systems. Their genetic material contains the information necessary for producing new virus particles, but all essential metabolic processes are carried out by the infected host cell. The structure of a virus is relatively simple. At its core is the viral genome, which consists of either DNA or RNA, but never both. This genetic material is enclosed within a protective protein coat called the capsid, which is made up of protein subunits known as capsomeres. The nucleic acid, together with the capsid, forms the nucleocapsid. In many viruses, the nucleocapsid is surrounded by an outer lipid envelope derived from the host cell membrane during viral release. This envelope contains viral glycoprotein spikes that enable the virus to recognize, attach to, and enter specific host cells. Some viruses also carry enzymes, such as polymerases or reverse transcriptase, that are essential for replication after infection. Depending on the arrangement of the capsid, viruses may have helical, icosahedral, or complex symmetry. Despite their structural diversity, all viruses share the same basic organization: a nucleic acid genome enclosed in a protein coat, with some possessing an additional lipid envelope and associated proteins that facilitate infection. Viruses are among the smallest biological entities on Earth. Many measure only a few dozen to a few hundred nanometers in size, making them invisible even under a regular microscope. Yet despite their microscopic dimensions, they can infect and sometimes seriously harm humans and animals that are billions of times larger. Their success lies not in physical strength, but in their remarkable biological strategy. A virus has no muscles, no organs, and cannot reproduce on its own. Instead, it acts as a biological infiltrator. After entering the body, it attaches to specific cells, slips inside, and hijacks the cell's machinery. The infected cell is then forced to produce thousands of new viruses, which spread to neighboring cells and continue the cycle. Viruses are often described as sneaky because they exploit the body's own systems. Many enter cells without immediately triggering a strong immune response. Some can change rapidly through mutations, allowing them to evade immune defenses or adapt to new hosts. Others remain hidden inside cells for long periods before becoming active again. Their greatest strength is not their size, but their efficiency. A tiny amount of viral material can multiply into millions or even billions of virus particles within a short time. Combined with their ability to spread through air, water, food, direct contact, or insect vectors, viruses can move quickly through populations. Fortunately, humans and animals are not defenseless. The immune system constantly searches for and destroys invading viruses. The story of viruses reminds us that in nature, size does not determine power. Intelligence, adaptation, and the ability to exploit opportunities can make even the smallest organisms formidable opponents.